Hi, hello everyone. In this video, we will see the important cases of our preamble, which are very important from exam perspective of whichever state you are giving, whichever competitive exam you are giving, and constitution is part of your that competitive exam. Then these cases are very important for you for preparing the preamble part of our constitution. So first case is Re Berubari Union case, AIR 1960. So in this case, Supreme Court held that preamble is not the part of the constitution. So basically, you need to remember that in this case, Supreme Court has held that preamble is not the part of constitution. But then comes next case, that is Keshwananda Bharti versus State of Kerala. In this case, Supreme Court held that preamble is a part of constitution, and court also held that preamble of the constitution is of extreme importance and the constitution should be read and interpreted in the light of the preamble. And court further held that the preamble can be amended without altering the basic structure of the constitution. So this case is very important. Please do remember whatever has been said in this case. Then comes our next case, that is Sajjan Singh versus State of Rajasthan, AIR 1965. In this case, Supreme Court held that preamble is the sum and substance of the features of the constitution. So you just need to remember this thing, that in this case, Supreme Court has held that preamble is the sum and substance of the features of the constitution. Then comes our next case, that is SR Bomani versus Union of India. In this case, Supreme Court reiterated the view of Keshwananda Bharti case and held that preamble is an integral part of the constitution. Then comes KK Bhaskaran versus State of Tamil Nadu. This case is of 2011. In this case, Supreme Court held that constitution should be interpreted in such a manner so as to secure the goal of social, economic and political justice. Then comes our next case, that is Nandani Sundar versus State of Chhattisgarh, AIR 2011. In this case, Supreme Court said that promise to provide social, economic and political justice given in the preamble cannot be forgotten or neglected. So this thing has been held in this case. Then comes our next case, that is Sajjan Singh versus State of Rajasthan. In this case, Supreme Court said that preamble represent the quintessence, the philosophy, the ideas and the soul and spirit of the entire constitution. And then our last case, that is Prithvi Raj Chauhan versus Union of India. In this case, our Supreme Court said one of the objective of the preamble of our constitution is fraternity, assuring the dignity of individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. Now, Supreme Court tells that what is the meaning of fraternity. Fraternity means a sense of common brotherhood of all Indians. And in a country like ours, it is necessary to emphasize and re-emphasize that the unity and integrity of India can be preserved only by a spirit of brotherhood. So these are the important cases which are given by Supreme Court regarding our preamble. So these are important cases. You must need to remember these cases. And out of these cases, whichever I have told you in this video, there are two important cases, that is Re Berubari Union case and Keshwananda Bharti versus State of Kerala. These two cases are very, very important, and other cases are also important, but please do remember these two cases as they are very important. So for this video, this much. I hope you have understood whatever I have tried to explain. Please do like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.